Welcome back to Gear Break. Today we're talking about the Sony A7 II. Is it still a viable camera in 2020? This is part one of a multi-part series on the Sony A7 II camera. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave your feedback in the comments below to let me know what other topics you want to cover on this camera. As of today, the A7 II is still being sold, and you can buy the camera along with the kit lens for under $1,000. At under $1,000, the A7 II is a great way to get into the Sony full-frame ecosystem. In this video, we're going to focus specifically on video autofocus. Okay, let's get to it. In the next three videos, I'm focusing at the center of the frame. In this first clip, I'm simulating a product review type shot. The camera has to focus in on the product and then on the presenter's face. In this next clip, I'm focused at the center of the frame. In the next clip, the scene is pretty busy. Okay, I think the A7 II did a pretty good job focusing in video mode. What do you think? Leave your comment below. If you want to help out the channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Gear Break, and we'll see you on the next one.